In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country in Apple Music. This process involves adjusting your Apple account's country or region settings. It is essential because this change impacts not only Apple Music but also the App Store, subscriptions, and various other Apple services. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. On your home screen, look for the gray gear icon, which represents the settings. Tapping this icon will take you to the main settings menu. This is where you can manage all your device settings, including your Apple account. This step is crucial because accessing the Settings app is the starting point for making changes to your account. Once you have the settings open, you are ready to move to the next step. Next, tap your name at the top of the settings menu. This action takes you to your Apple ID settings where you can manage your account information. Your name will typically appear along with your profile picture if you have one set up. By accessing this section, you will be able to find options related to your Apple ID, subscriptions, and other personalized settings. It is important to tap your name here because only within this section can you make the necessary changes to your account's country or region. From there, tap Media and Purchases. This option is usually located a bit lower in the list. It allows you to manage your media settings and purchase history. Tapping this will direct you to the area where you can view and adjust your account details related to media services like Apple Music and the App Store. This step matters because it leads you closer to changing your country settings, which directly impacts your media experience. Now tap View Account and sign in if asked. You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID or Touch ID for verification. Signing in is a necessary security measure to ensure that only you can make changes to your account. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll gain access to your account settings. This adds an extra layer of security to your account management process, ensuring that your information remains safe. After signing in, tap Country/Region. This option will allow you to see your current country settings and make the required changes. Tapping this will take you to a screen specifically for modifying your country or region preferences. It is crucial to navigate to this section because changing your country or region is the key to accessing different content available in Apple Music and other Apple services. Next, tap Change Country or Region. This action will present you with a list of countries you can choose from. It signifies that you are prepared to make alterations to where your account is registered. Selecting this option is important as it initiates the process of changing your Apple Music experience to that of a new country, where different songs and features may be available. Select the country you want to use. A list will appear showing various countries and regions. Simply scroll through and tap on the one you wish to switch to. This step is essential because it determines the content you will have access to in Apple Music, including songs, albums, and playlists that vary by region. After that, review the terms and conditions, then tap Agree. You will be presented with a legal agreement outlining the rules and guidelines for using Apple services in the new country. It's crucial to read through these terms to understand any implications of your account change. By agreeing, you confirm that you accept these new terms, which is a standard procedure to ensure transparency between you and Apple. Then enter a payment method and billing address for the new country. Apple may require that you provide a payment method issued in the new country. This step is vital because it ensures that you can make purchases and subscriptions in the new region. Make sure to have the necessary details ready as this is a common requirement when changing your country settings. Before changing countries, Apple requires you to spend any remaining Apple account balance. This means you should use up any funds left in your account. Additionally, you must cancel subscriptions that block the change, including Apple Music. You will also need to wait for any pending refunds, rentals, or pre-orders to finish. Lastly, if you are part of family sharing, you may need to leave that group as well. Understanding these requirements is crucial, as failing to comply may prevent you from successfully changing your country settings. Changing your country can affect which songs, albums, and playlists are available. Apple Music catalogs vary by region, and this may impact your listening experience. Subscription prices and accepted payment methods may also differ in your new country. Being aware of these changes is important for ensuring that you get the most out of your Apple Music experience. By following these steps, you will successfully change your country in Apple Music, allowing you to explore new content and enjoy your music fully.